Alright guys, today is the announcement of BROLLAN joining our CSGO team, or actually it's on Sunday, but today is Friday, so I'm gonna, yeah, take you with me and show you like how I do the announcement for this. It's a pretty big announcement. It's like BROLLAN joining our CSGO team, so it's pretty big, pretty huge news, and it's pretty like anticipated in the community. So I'm gonna take you with me and show you rather how it's done today. I've already started doing some stuff like this, just basic stuff, adding the logo, adding the name, and I've also started using like a mock-off of a CS player here. This is just a config, for example, but yeah, that's what I've used to build this ground base up. And here I've imported some photographs that I would like to probably use, I think. Um, yeah, so let's go. Alright, so unfortunately, or sadly, my my program didn't record all of this progress. So basically, now I'm done with the whole thing, but I'm gonna show you what I thought and how I did it. So right now, as you can see, it's the same as the last time when it stopped recording. So I added some camera raw filter on BROLLAN on his picture. And then I went ahead and made the background lighter by adding this green in the background, the brush. I also started adding some basic elements in the background like this, and also some bullets, and some background brushes like that, and smoke. I also added these lines. I think this is a nice effect, like makes the graphics stand out a bit, and yeah, I think it looks very nice. I then added some lights on his eye, like you see here. I made the eye like in the NAP color, so I thought that was kind of funny, kind of cool little thing. And I also added some light on him, like so make him more like a greenish, as you can see, if I toggle on and off. Then I went ahead and like, I wanted to make him more interesting, so I added like these, like on top of his eye, to make him seem more, I don't know, robotic, or like like he's a god or something, to make him look like more cool. Yeah, then also added some more bullets. As you see here, bullets here, and added blur on those bullets as well, so it looks, so there's a different distance from the eye. I also added more light in the background of the player, and also of course added his name. And also here you can see I blurred out some of the edges of the text here. I think that is looks kind of nice. Also then of course added sponsors, because for every post, or almost every post in NMP, we have to have the sponsors. I also added this little button here, so because right now you could say it's done right now. I think it could be done. Everything is nice. It's very clean. It has everything needed, and like it gets the point across very nicely, and everything is good here, I think. But I wanted to do something extra because I thought the like corners were kinda empty. So I added this little mark here that shows its NIP if someone doesn't know our logo, because it doesn't really say NIP anywhere except for the shirt. But yeah, I thought it would be nice to have that there as well. And then I also added some text in the other corners. Yeah, text here. So I added so just some basic text like CSGO and the player's name, and then hashtag #GoNinjas, which is our hashtag. So I try to use that regularly when I design things. And then I also made this cool little thing. I added this QR code, and this code actually, if you scan it with your phone or whatever, it leads you to the NMP website. So I thought that was pretty cool, and yeah, I really am personally a big fan of QR codes. I think they look really clean. So yeah, I think it's a nice addition to the graphic, and that's pretty much it. I'm done with this one, and now I'm probably gonna do some other sizes, and you can see them as well. If I don't fuck up the recording again, let's see. But yeah, let's do some other sizes. Right, so now I'm done with most of the sizes. So this is the one I created before. It's the for Twitter. This one, 1 by 1, is for Instagram, of course. And this is the Instagram story. And this one is also another version that is for YouTube, so a thumbnail. So I wanted to make that a little bit more in your face for the YouTube one, because yeah, obviously it should clickbait you into the video, and I also added welcome so it's more clear that it's actually joining. So yeah, this is basically how I do most of my projects at NIP, especially announcements like this. I usually need to do a lot of sizes, but I usually start with the native one, 69 image, and then I go from there and just expand onto other sizes from that one. So it's pretty easy to do once you have your one final graphic done, and then you just add on to make the other ones. This is also a little before and after picture, so obviously before and after. So here you can see how much of a difference it really makes to add some camera raw filter and noise and stuff to the person in particular. And also, yeah, just overall how much of a difference it is when you're actually done. So this was a very fun project. As I said, today is Friday and it releases on Sunday, so in 2 days. I hope it's gonna be taken good by the community. I think so. People are really hyped for this, and yeah, I'm really hyped too. I'm also gonna upload this here to my Behance portfolio profile. So a project on this, I'm gonna link it in the description, so you can check it out for yourself and support me if you'd like. So I really appreciate it. Here you can also see a slider before and after. This is really cool, and just you can see the big difference it makes in everything. Here's also two little wallpapers I also made. A separate video will be done on this one, how I made this one. And yeah, you can also follow my Twitter here if you'd like to. I'm really trying to hit 1K, so I would really appreciate it. Any help there. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this kind of thing, I mean, if you feel it's helpful in any way, I would appreciate it if you like or subscribed or gave me a comment what your thoughts are and if it was helpful or not. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll be doing more of these videos in the future. And yeah, thank you for watching.